thing.
Hey guys, Tim Walling here with SC Legal Carry. We train people to get a CWP in the state of South Carolina. If you need a concealed weapons permit, please look us up online at sclegalcarry.com. Let's take a look at lights. Attaching lights onto the front of your firearm. This is a stream light. This is the TLR8AG. TLR8AG. Let's unbox this thing. Let's see what it comes with, and let's try it on a couple of these guns to see how it functions and works. We do have these on our website at Optics86, optics86.com. Check us out there. We let you guys get a quick look at this thing. You've got high and low mounts here for it. These are your controls. You would remove this one, attach this control onto it, and you've either got large controls or really small controls. Both come with it. Your battery's in here for it. The Streamlight, this TLR8AG, this thing will fit multiple firearms. It comes with these little tiny plates here, and you would, so let me turn it the right way. You would just pull this out, snap one of these in, and it moves the front piece here. It moves it forward, backwards, makes it thicker, makes it thinner, so that it fits different firearms. It moves this piece on the firearm forwards and back so that you can fit it on different Picatinny rails. You've got a little tool inside here. So this little tool with these little snaps that'll clip in, I'm not sure what you call them, but they'll clip on the end of here. So you would pull this out, you unscrew it here, take this off. Remember, you got a spring on there, don't lose your spring. Now, these will just come, let me shake it loose. So these will just come right off, all right? These will fall right out. And you can just change these plates out to fit whatever gun you want. It's just really that easy. And when you put this back in, if you know you want this to be permanent, you would insert this. You would take one of these small pieces here, snap it on here, take this little tool out and push it in to lock it down in the position. Let's install the battery first. So we're just going to spin this. Give it a little bit of a turn. We'll unscrew it. So come right out. Comes with a battery for it. And it has an indicator here. Tells you which way the battery goes in right here. Tells you the plus side goes inside when you insert it. Let's put it back together. There we go. So now we've got our battery installed in it. It's functioning. There's an automatic on and off switch, or kind of a kill switch for it. So you take the front here, just want to rotate it. It's nice and tight when you screw it all the way on. You'll feel this as you loosen it up. You feel it kind of give way there. Now, you can't turn it on. You hit the switch and it won't turn on. That way you disable it so that you don't accidentally turn it on if you're not going to use it. If you know you're going to use it, spin it back. Hit your button, it's on and running. So you've got your light, and your laser inside of it. You see? Let's get this mounted on the firearm. So let's pull our pin out. To put this on my Sig P320, the block right here, we pulled the pin out, and we are going to take this and snap it. We want this piece to go right in here on the Picatinny rail. So let's just drop it right in there. We've got that on. Now we need to slide this, feed this back through. Feed it from this side. Let's screw it in. Notice my thumb is holding this piece on. If you don't hold this piece on, it'll just fall right off. Tighten it down. You can just get it hand tight and take a screwdriver, just a flat head, And I'm going to just snug it down a little bit here. There we go. Nice and tight on the firearm. Firearm is clear. And now I can operate it with just my finger. I can reach up with my trigger finger and pop it on, off, hold it down, let go. I can reach up with my thumb here and I can come down and I can turn it on. This Streamlight has 500 looms on it, so it's nice and bright when you go to use it. Has the green laser inside of it. It has multiple switches on it. It runs off of one 3-volt CR123A lithium battery goes inside this. There are ambidextrous controls on this light for you to use. You've got your safe off here by turning the front. It is 2.64 ounces, so it's a lightweight light to attach to your firearm. You guys can get a good look at this on the firearm. That is a really good fit on there. Very comfortable to use, easy to access these switches. Let's look at some of the features when you're actually operating it. Now, let's go through what it'll do for you. You push and hold down and let go, and it just keeps it on as long as you hold down. So press and hold, the light stays on until you release. Press real quick and let go, the light stays on. Press and let go, turns right back off for you. You've got different settings on it. So you hold down, you got two switches, one here, one here. So hold one switch down, hold it down, don't let it go, press the switch over here, and that switches to another setting. So now I've got just the light with no laser. Hold this one down, press this side, now I've got just the laser by itself, no light. Hold this side down, push this side, now I've got the light and the laser combined on the firearm. Push it 2 times really fast, 1, 2, and now I've got the strobe mode on it with the laser inside there, if you can see that. Press it again, it turns off. Now it comes from the factory with the strobe mode turned off, so you have to turn it on. The way you turn it on is you push one side here, either side, doesn't matter which side, you push it 9 times really fast. So push it real fast 9 times, the 10th time hold it down, you'll see it go into the strobe mode and let it go. Then you can use the strobe mode. If you want to turn the strobe mode back off on it, then you would do that again. You'd come to one side or the other, press it 9 times really fast, on the 10th time hold it down. That'll turn your strobe off if you don't want to use it. To disable this thing, you just twist the front. And now it's disabled, can't use it. This thing is really nice. Let's play with this a little bit. Let's mess around, see how it goes. No magazine in this gun, no ammo at all. And let's go try it out in the house a little bit. See if we can see as we maneuver around through the house a little bit. See how the laser works, see how the strobe works on it. Let's do a little testing with this. So we hear something outside. We're heading out back. They're moving around. Bang. Bang. You leave it on. You hold the button down, it's on, let go, it's off. Double tap it, and your strobe is on. Super nice. Very, very effective. So you have to go outside. You've heard something on the property, something outside, you go out. And Here we go. Strobe light off, hold it down, it's off. Hit it, it stays on, back off. So having to come into the room, lights on, you can see your strobe. So if you had to go through the house and clear the house, this stream light is never coming off of this firearm. It is on here to stay. I feel extremely confident with this on the firearm. It was so easy to operate, so easy to use. It lit up the room. You could see that green dot. It was just jumping out. There's no other way to go in home protection. And even on your property, four-wheeler, heading out in the woods, hunting, this is the thing to have with you. If you need a quick, fast gun in a dark setting, this is going to light it up. You'll be able to see, and you've got your laser so that your rounds will impact where you want them to. The stream light is super nice on this firearm. Be a responsible adult. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Till next time, folks, take care.